Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you foundation design of G+9 building with horizontal walk by using StarPro V8A software. So I was already explained modeling part as well as analysis part and design part in my previous videos. I will provide you that video links in description and above the card link and end screen for this respected video. So in this video, I will explain you foundation design for this respected building. So click on StarPro software initially. Select this respected model. Just I'm selecting the my G+9 building with horizontal walk connection. So this is the model for G+9 building with horizontal connections. So I will design the foundation for this. So initially click on foundation design here. So here we need to select the load cases. Next I'm selecting earthquake load x direction, earthquake load z direction, wind load x, wind load z, dead load condition, live load condition. Click on include option. So click on run start foundation. The fixed supports of this respected model are directly imported to start foundation software. So these are the fixed supports. We need to design the foundation for this respected fixed supports. So for that initially we need to create the load cases. So click on loads and factors option here. So click on generate load combinations. So initially we need to select the IS code for this respected load combination. So click on generate load combinations for the service load combination initially. Click on OK. So again click on generate load combinations for the ultimate load combination. Click on OK again. So after that click on cancel this. Select the job setup option. Click on create new job. So here we need to give the job name. Just I'm assuming it as ZZZ. So here we need to select the job type, nothing but the foundation type. So it will be consisting of isolated pile cap mat combined footing. So here I'm selecting isolated footing and design code is Indian condition English and assigned to all supports here. So here we need to include the load cases. Next I'm selecting the load cases as 101, 102, 201, 202, 203. Again I'm selecting it as 204. So here we need to include these load cases. Click on create job. So it will create the isolated footing job like this. Select the place mark again. Click on design parameters. Click on concrete and rebar values. So these are the concrete and rebar values for this respected foundation. Select the cover and soil type values. Footing geometry, sliding and overturning. Click on design option. Click on S button. So it will design the foundation for this respected G+9 building with horizontal connected by StarPro software. So after 1 minute of analysis, my isolated footing of IS 456-2000 is showing like this. So here I am selecting isolated footing 4. Just double click on it. So it will design the foundation of isolated footing for this respected model. So it will be consisting of each and individual calculations for this respected foundation. So click on starting page. So this is the starting page. Click on geometry. So this is geometry, details and drawing. So this is the details and drawing for this respected foundation. Click on GA drawing. So this is the GA drawing. Click on calculation sheet. So this is the calculation sheet for this respected foundation as per IS 456-2000 code by using StarPro software. Thank you.